Hey guys, Miss Kiza King here. I'm trying something new. I'm not using my phone because my phone hasn't been working. That's why I haven't posted any new videos. Today we are going to be doing day 23. A lot of you have already turned this in, but I just want to make sure if anyone out there is struggling, they have what they need. So Friday, April 17th, this was Friday's assignment. New unit. Hello, seventh grade science students. We're super excited to begin our new unit of study. It's all about human impacts on the environment. This is going to be a really important, interesting, and fun group of topics for us to think and learn about. We're going to be looking at human impacts on the environment through the lens of the United Nations Sustainability Goals. Your first assignment is to review a couple of short videos and then access a link to the UN's goals and fill out the missing part of the chart you've been given. The links are in the documents attached below. As always, you can create a Google Doc to send to your teacher or do your work on paper and send a picture. So first, let's get ready. Let's open the Google Doc. All right, and now you're not going to be able to edit this because a teacher edited it. So in order to edit, you will go to File, and then you will click Make a Copy when this is ready. Make a copy. So something pretty simple that you can do is you can leave it copy of, you can take off copy of, or you could put your name. So then whenever you turn it into your teacher, they know whose it's coming from. And then you will click OK. It will open up a whole new document for you and you can type your answers in. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Close that one. Excuse my children in the background. All right, so before we're gonna fill this out, we're gonna watch the videos. So I'll go ahead and play them here. I'm doing video calls. Such a cool video. Okay, let's watch the next video.
Mom, watch this.
Video.
Yeah.
What the? Okay, so now we're going to go to the UN, the Global Goals website. And this is what we're going to be doing. My internet is being super slow. Okay, so in 2015, world leaders agreed to 17 global goals. These goals have the power to create a better world by 2030 by ending poverty, fighting inequality, and addressing the urgency of climate change. Guided by the goals, it is now up to all of us, governments, businesses, civil society, and the general public to work together to build a better future for everyone. So what you're going to do is if you open your form, and something I like to do sometimes, if you pull this tab out, you make a new tab, then you minimize it, you can kind of go back and forth and see what you're working on or what you're looking for. If this will ever open. Well, if it's not going to open, then I will open this one back up and just show you what you're supposed to do. Okay. I'm sorry. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill in, what the heck? I can't close that. I think that's what's slowing it up, but that is what I'm using to record this. Okay, so there's a chart, and on the chart, you're going to fill in the goals. So maybe it says 1, no poverty. So you're going to click on that. Economic resources. So that is what goal 1 is. So you're going to type that in the box next to, here it is, yay. So we did that one for you. So goal 2 is promote sustainable forms of small producers and sustainable food production, resilient architectural practices. You don't have to write all these, but it's just good to know kind of what they are, because we are going to be talking about them more in depth as we go through this unit. So then you'll open this, type that in for number 2, and then so on and so forth. So you get the gist. So number 3, then you'll put in this box number 4, and then you'll write the 4th goal, and this is number 5, number 6, and you'll fill it in according to the website. When you're done, you will click share. And then this is where you type in your teacher's email address. So if I'm going to send this to Ms. Gieseking at Alton Schools. See, now you even pop up. So then you can even add a note. It's nice when you do that. Hello, Ms. Gieseking. Hope you are doing well. Your fave teacher, and miss you so much. So sweet. And then you click send, and that is the end.